Hello, today I want to introduce a 4MP smart doorbell to you. Here's our unboxing show. When installing the SD card, the metal side faces the lens. Then turn on the switch. Connect to your phone to available Wi-Fi first. Open SriHome app, scan the QR code on the doorbell to add it. Please pay attention to enter the password or you will fail to pair. When you hear the beep, click Next. Name the camera and enter the default password. Then the connection is successful. Paste the base on the wall first. After pasting, it needs to be placed for more than 24 hours. Then you can proceed to install the doorbell. Lock the doorbell with screw.